In this question, you have to match the microorganisms given under list 1 with the products that they yield given in list 2. Now, Clostridium butylicum produces butyric acid, which is a key product in fermentation processes. Thus, A matches with 3. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the yeast that is responsible for producing ethanol through alcoholic fermentation. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, Trichoderma polysporum synthesizes cyclosporin A, which is an immunosuppressive drug widely used in organ transplantation patients. Thus, C matches with 4. And Streptococcus species produces streptokinase, an enzyme that is used to dissolve blood clots in medical treatments. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option A.